How to find personal settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then go down until you find settings. Click on it, and after you click on it you will find this one, account info. Click on it and then just go down, and here you can find personal settings. You can manage it anything you want, and gender and language theme, and then just click save after you manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.